Hello dear students, today we are going to deal with Selina's book, standard 7th book, exercise 2a, that is rational numbers. Now the first question is, write down a rational number whose numerator is the largest 2-digit number and the denominator is the smallest 4-digit number. Numerator means the number which is written above in a fraction, denominator means the number which comes down. Down, D for denominator, D for down, this is how you should remember. So the numerator is the biggest 2-digit number. When they ask you the biggest number or the largest number, begin with 9, okay. Now they are asking 2-digit number, so put 2 times 9. If they are asking you the largest 3-digit number, put 3 times 9. If they are asking you the largest 4-digit number, put 4 times 9. And the denominator has to be the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest, when they tell you the smallest number, begin with 1, okay. So 1 and 4-digit they are asking, so put 3 zeros. If they are asking the smallest 5-digit number, put 1 and 4 more zeros, okay. So this is the final answer of question number 1. Let's go ahead with the question number 2. Write down the numerator of, now the numerator of 7 upon minus 15. See, the question is bit tricky, not tricky, bit tricky. Okay, it's very small thing they are hiding which you should know. Now see, whenever there is a minus sign, whether be it in a numerator or be it in a denominator, it is always of the numerator only. So the numerator would be minus 7, not 7. Got it? Well, even if the denominator is in minus, it will come in the numerator. Next question is minus 18 upon 29. So the answer would be minus 18 because in the numerator they have written minus 18. Next is minus 3 upon 4. Come on, the answer should be minus 3. The numerator of the question is minus 3. Now next question is minus 7. Do you see anything in the denominator? When there is nothing in the denominator, it has to be 1. Okay, so here the answer is minus 7. Next to it they are asking is 0. 0. Nothing else is given, only 0. No fraction is made. Okay, so 0 means nothing but 0 upon 1. Okay, so now 0 upon 1, that means the numerator is 0. Hope you followed this. Okay, let us go ahead with the question number 3. Write down the denominators. Denominator means what? The number which is below. Okay. Now, write denominators of the fraction. Okay. Now, if I continue with the same questions, for example, if it is minus 18 upon 29, denominator here will be down number, that is 29. What if the number is 0? Denominator will be 1. Even though there is no 1 given, but you have to understand that when there is no number or the number is given as a natural or a whole number, it is a fraction. It is upon 1. So this 1 comes in the denominator. Let's go ahead with the question number 4. Question number 4 is, write down the rational number, write a rational number with, now see here, numerator, denominator. I am writing directly. Okay, so the numerator given here is minus 5 into minus 4 and denominator given here is 28 minus 27 multiplied by 8 minus 5. Let us simplify this, okay. So minus into minus, plus. So this becomes plus 20, okay. Solve the brackets. 28 minus 27 will become 1. 8 minus 5 will become 3. So your product is 20 upon 3. This is the final fraction or the final answer. Let's go ahead with the question number 5. Question number 5 says minus 15 upon 1. Write minus 15 upon 1 in integer form. My dear children, this is a fraction form. Okay, integer form would be only minus 15. No need to write 1. Okay, write 23 upon minus 1 in the integer form. So it would be minus 23, as I told you. Even if the minus sign is in denominator, it always implies it to the numerator. It is applicable only to the numerator. Now third question is, if 18 upon a is only 18, then what is the value of a? See, I told you now, if there is nothing in the denominator, it means 1. This means 1. Okay, that means a is equal to 1. Very simple. Don't put 0. Otherwise, it is 18 upon 0 is a non-defined number. This is 18 upon a is 18. It's not 0. 18 upon a is 18 upon 1. That means a is equal to 1. One more tricky question. Minus 57 is equal to 57 upon a. Find a. Now my dear children, do you find any minus sign here? No. Then this means that we should put a is equal to minus 1. Okay. This is nothing but, see, minus minus plus. Are you able to understand? This is minus 57, this was in the question, is equal to 57 upon a. To make it positive, I have to put minus 1 here. Minus minus will get cancelled up and this will become 57 upon a. So a is nothing but minus 1. Hope you followed it. Let's go ahead with the question number 6. Question number 6 is separate positive and negative. This should be positive and negative. Okay, now tell me, minus 3 upon 5. Only the numerator is in minus, denominator is not in minus. So it will come in negative. The next number is 3 upon minus 5. Whether it is positive or negative, although the numerator is in positive, denominator negative means this will go up only. There is no sign as minus in denominator. Always remember, it always belongs to the numerator. Minus 3 upon minus 5. Although both are minus, they will get cut and answer will become 3 upon 5. Minus into minus or minus divided by minus is plus. Then comes 0. Where will 0 belong to? 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neutral. Okay, don't put it in positive. Minus 13 upon minus 3. Minus minus will get cancelled. This will become 13 upon 3. Hope you understood the question number 6. Let's go ahead with the question number 7. Question number 7 says, write 3 rational numbers equivalent to 3 rational numbers equivalent to what? 3 upon 5. Okay. Now my dear students, equivalent to 3 upon 5 means, although the number would be big, but after reducing it you will get 3 upon 5 only. So I will give you a trick. What you do, multiply this with a common number, both. Okay, I multiplied by 2 by 2, then you can multiply it by 3 and 3. 3 numbers you want, na? Or you can multiply it by 5 upon 5. But make sure that you are multiplying both the numbers with the same sign. If you are multiplying it by minus, both the numerator as well as the denominator has to be in minus sign. If you are multiplying it by a positive number, both of them has to be positive and the numbers should be same. Okay. Now the answer here would be 3 2s are 6. 6 upon 10 is equivalent to 3 upon 5. 9 upon 15 is also equivalent to 3 upon 5. Similarly, 15 upon 25 is also equivalent to 3 upon 5. You will get whole 3 marks by doing this. It's very easy. This one was first question. The second question is 4 upon minus 7. Now multiply 4 upon minus 7 2 by 2, 3 by 3 and 4 by 4 or 5 by 5, whichever number you are fond of. You can also put 10 and 10. Very easy. Just put 1 1 0. Okay. This becomes 8 upon minus 14. This becomes 12 upon minus 21 and this becomes 16 upon minus 28. Okay. So the numbers equivalent to 4 upon minus 7 is 8 upon minus 14, 12 upon minus 21, 6 upon minus 28 and many others. Third question, 5 upon minus 5 upon 9. See, what you can do is multiply it by 10 and 10, both the numerator and the denominator. Best trick. Or multiply it by 100 and 100. Or multiply it by 1000 and 1000. If you have no time and for multiplication, you can use this shortcut method. Okay, so this becomes minus 50 upon 90, this becomes minus 500 upon 900 and this becomes minus 5000 upon 9000. Okay, shortcut trick. Hope you understood this. Come on, let's go ahead with the next question. That is question number 8. Students, I want you to write in comment section of the topics which you find difficult or you want me to teach you. I can make things easy. Next is 8th question. Which of these are not rational numbers? Which are not rational numbers? See, it's easy to find out which are not rational numbers. Just simply you have to check the denominator. If the denominator is 0, not a rational number, otherwise all are rational. See here, 8 upon 0, one question is there, not a rational number. 0 upon 0 is a rational number because, no, 0 upon 0 is also not a rational number. 0 upon 1 is a rational number. This is not a rational number. Okay. In fact, even 0 is also a rational number because 0 and 0 upon 1 is the same thing. Okay. So anything, any number, whether it be whole number or integer or a natural number, whichever, any number having a denominator 0 is always an irrational number. Remember. Let's go ahead with the question number 9. Express the integers as rational number with denominator 7. Now you have to make denominator 7. See, in the fraction is like a family. Whatever you are giving it to one brother, you have to give it to other brother also. Otherwise, there will be a fight. Okay. Now, see, if it is 5, do you see anything in the denominator? Nothing, na? That means we have 1 here. If there is nothing in the denominator, means there is 1. Always have eyes of this kind in max. Okay. Multiplied by what? You have to make it 7, na? Multiplied by 7. Is it okay to give 7 to the younger brother and not to the elder brother? No, there will be a fight. Multiplied by 7, both numerator as well as the denominator. 7 5s are 35 upon 7 is the answer. Next is what? Minus 8. What is there in the denominator? 1. If nothing is there, means there is 1. Put a 1 here. Multiplied by 7 because the question says make denominator 7. Okay. Multiply numerator also to make justice. Answer should be minus 56 upon 7. Similarly, students, the next question is express 3 upon 5 as a rational number. 3 upon 5 as a rational number with denominators, with various denominators. Okay. Now, for example, they are telling you first number you have to make a denominator 20. That means we have to make this 20. Okay, denominator has to be made 20. So how will you make it? We can use trial and error method. Okay, multiplied by 4, multiplied by 4. This will become 12 upon 20. Okay, but my dear students, there is one more method. Okay, I'll give you a shortcut. Now you have to 3 upon 5 is equal to x upon 20. This is a trial and error method. What if you are unable, if it is a big number or you are unable to understand or unable to make out which number to multiply to make it 20 or what will be the numerator? I'll give you a shortcut, okay? Write the question here, put equal to sign and whatever is asked here, put here, okay? Now do a cross multiplication, okay? 3 into 20 and put this in the denominator 5, okay? 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, answer is 12. Therefore, the answer is 12 upon 20. See, check 12 upon 20. This method is helpful for big numbers, or sometimes if you are unable to recollect the table thing and all, you can use this method. Next is next question is 3 upon 5 and you have to make the denominator as 25. So what will you do? Easy, multiply both by 5 and 5. This will become 25, so this will become 15. See, when it comes to easy numbers, say 5, 2, 4, 7, 6, it's okay. But what if the number is a bit big, 2 number, 3 digit number? Then you can go ahead with the method which I told you in the earlier sum. Next question is, yes, find x. Find x means what? Find x means find the value of x, okay? Don't waste time searching for x. Minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 6 upon x. Now look here. Just see in cross the pair. Now these are pairing in cross, okay? So put them in numerator. And this bichara Alaksa, the poor fellow who is alone, has no partner, or the girlfriend has become x. Let it be in the denominator, is equal to x. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So your x is nothing but 9 upon minus 1, that is minus 9. Followed? Let us go ahead with a bit big number. Minus 27 upon x is equal to 9. Now see, this one is having no denominator. When you have no denominator, you should put 1, okay? Now see, he is having a proper pair, but this 9 is a poor fellow. We will put this poor fellow in the denominator, okay? Minus 27 into minus 1 upon 9 is equal to x, okay? 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27. Minus into minus, plus 3 ones are 3. X is nothing but 3. Hope you are able to understand this. Express each of the following in the lowest terms. Next question is reduce to the lowest terms. Now look here, my dear students. 12 upon 15. Is 15 and 12 going to go in the table of 2? Is it the multiple of 2? No. 3? Yes. How many times? 3 4s are, 3 5s are. This is the final answer. 4 and 5 will never go in a common table. They are consecutive numbers. Consecutive means one after the other. एक के बाद दूसरा नंबर होता है ना, जैसे 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 21, 22. They will never go in a common table. Okay. Next is minus 120 upon 144. Okay. Don't get scared. Okay. See, I'll tell you the divisibility test of number 4. Last two numbers 20, last two numbers 44. They are divisible by 4. That means both the numbers are divisible by 4. Okay. 4 3s are 12 and 0. 4 3s are 12, 4 8s are, no, 4 6 are 24. 30 and 36. Don't you think they are both divisible by 6? 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36. Your answer is minus 5 upon 6. Now look, my dear students, these numbers were divisible by 2 also. But why I did not take 2? Because it will go long and if you go by length, I mean if you go do long sums, there are chances that you commit errors. So better take big multiples or big numbers, big tables, okay, so that you quickly do these reduction thing. Yeah. Now last question is, express in standard form. What do you mean by expressing it in standard form? Expressing it in standard form means if you have a minus sign in denominator, put it in numerator. If you have both the minus signs, numerator as well as denominator, yes, expressing it in standard form means you have to check if the minus is in denominator. For example, here it is given like this. This is not standard form. Standard form is like this, okay. Next, if you have something like this, minus 7 upon minus 20, so it will become 7 upon 20, okay. So I think we have finished with this exercise. Yes, in my next video I'll be dealing with the next exercise, that is exercise 2b. Maybe it's a number line or something. And my dear students, just let me know whichever topic you are finding difficult, so that I'll make videos on that topic. And if you are nearing your exam or something, I can urgently make a video and publish it for you people. Please be frank and honest while commenting. Thank you so much. And if you like my channel, please share, subscribe and like as well. Thank you.